Hello everyone, it's me, Don Maarko. I'm back again and welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm at a place called the Shilin residence, and all these years I didn't realize it was free, but they often have flowers on here. So it's like a big garden place, you can walk around, but sometimes they have a big flower exhibition here. So I'm going to get in, I'm going to have a look around, I'm going to show you what it is like here. This is in Shilin, this is in Shilin, sorry, keep saying Shilin because the person I'm with keeps saying Shilin, but whatever. I'm in Shilin, and we're going to get in, I'm going to show you around and show you what it is like here, so let's get into it. And another thing, I still haven't bought a wind blocker for my microphone because I lost mine, remember. So if there is a bit of wind on the video, I apologise in advance. These flowers here are just at the entrance. I don't know what they are, but yes, they look quite nice, don't they? So this is the entrance we just walked through now. If I turn around, you can see there is a little gate that they will probably lock at some point, but it is free to walk inside. They have a map here, look, up here. See, Chiang Kai-Shek Shilin Residence Park map, and this is the map here, and there we are, look, that is us. So we're on Flowers Boulevard. This is Flowers Boulevard here. Garden of Dreams. Looks nice. I like these big bamboo trees actually. These big bamboo trees, I like them. Even got an ice cream shop, look. I thought it was just going to be a garden. Didn't realise they'd be selling ice cream. Loads of people have bought ice cream as well, considering it's freezing. It's a big butterfly here, look. Check that out. Would look good if all the flowers were in bloom. Still looks good though. This section behind us here looks really nice, but I don't think a lot of flowers are in bloom now because it's the winter. So I think I'm going to have to come back here during a time where all more flowers are in season, because the garden looks really nice and that. So I would like to see it in like peak blooming flower season basically. This is what I mean, look. You see these flowers here, they look quite nice, and then the whole backdrop is pretty good, and they've got some rabbit in the middle. I don't think they've got anything there, I think it's just for viewing. And then like just the backdrop and everything looks good. I think it'll be great here in peak flower season, which makes me think to myself, why have I never come here before? I don't know, never been here before. I always thought you had to pay for some reason. Maybe you do have to pay in the exhibitions, I'm not sure, but probably not. Non-Taiwan. If you look here, look, they've got loads of flower sections, but a lot of the flowers don't seem in season. So I think if you come here peak season, all this will be in bloom and it'll look fantastic, I'd imagine. There'll also be a lot more people here then though. There's not many people here now. It's quite nice to walk around when it's like this. Into a section, looks quite nice. Also, there's not many people here, so I will give you a little look around as we go around here. I just come in to this section here. They've got these little flowers, look, here like that. And if you go up here, got a little water feature, a building down there that looks quite nice, and loads of little flowers and that. I think I like this little section actually. Oh, there's the little fountain, look. You can see the little fountain. Nice and peaceful here as well, man. Really peaceful. Don't know why a water feature always makes a place nice, but it just does. So Aye, this little section's nice. This nice here. All the little walkways and that look quite nice. Look, the little seating areas and that. It's all quite nice, peaceful. Loads of little flowers on the side, colourful and that. Like I keep telling you, I think when they have the big exhibitions here, it'll be rammed. Like they have all different kind of exhibitions here for flowers. Gonna go down there. Look, there's a little pond down there. Look, little art exhibition. One of the little Chinese style seating areas. There's those look like banyan trees. Them. I never saw a banyan tree till I moved here. I am definitely going to come back now when they have the big exhibitions on. They have like rose exhibitions and things like that. So I'm going to come back and check it out when they have those on. Pond area looks well cool. Look at it. It's so nice here, look. Look at that. Let's walk over this little bridge. Got fish inside. Like a little island. There's nowhere to go. I'm like moated on a little island, look. I am liking this little pond area, like. Look at that. Well nice. Alright, so we're gonna walk through the garden one last time. On our way out, I will show you different stuff. This has been Chiang Kai-Shek Shilin residence, and we're gonna do like one little walk around. On our way out, I'll show you a bit more as we head towards the exit. But I think when it's not peak flower season, it's just a really nice peaceful garden to come to and relax. I think during peak flower season, it's probably rammed here, loads of people when the exhibitions are on. But now I've been here, I am going to come back and check it out. So I'll give you a last little look where I'm standing. This little section here is extremely peaceful. I've been having a lot of fun hanging around here, just chilling out, just relaxing and that. See, it's a nice day today, but it's cold, 10 degrees. So this might be the route out, but this is the back end of the little island I was sitting on, look. So you can see from this angle, this view, how nice this garden actually looks. Look at that. So we're walking down this little pathway now. See some flowers down here before we go. Flowers hanging up here, blue ones. So this is what you can see if you come here in the off season. We're heading back to the scooter in the exit now, like I said, and we are taking a shortcut through this rose garden. The roses are clearly out of season, but there are a few left to show you what they do look like, so I'll give you a look. This rose is apparently called Molyneux. Must be like wolves. Just to show you that I'm not lying, look. Molyneux. We've got this big rose garden area here, but there's not many roses left. There's a few. They look nice. This one's got no name on, but it's like, can you colour pink this? Is it pink or purple? Colourblind strikes again. Look at that. Nice. I think it looks hard to see the red ones on my camera there. There you go, look, that looks a bit clearer, I think. Red ones, bright pink one. Difficult to make out on the camera. I found a section of roses that look like they're still in bloom. I've noticed as well, roses have mental names, man. Check this out. You see what that says? Dancing Girl of Izu. And look at the Dancing Girl of Izu. The best rose I've seen that. Look how bright it is, man. Mega. If you look, I think the Dancing Girl of Izu is the one that stands out the most. Look, bright yellow, big bright yellow. This is called the Jubilee du Prince de Monaco. There you go, Prince de Monaco. Well, this has been a glimpse of what the Chiang Kai-Shilin residence is like with the flowers. I presume it's better when they're all in bloom, but it's even when they're not in bloom, when it's not in flower season, it's very peaceful here. It's really peaceful to walk around and just chill out, and there's no cost to get in. I don't know if that changes whether they have an exhibition or not. You would have to check online first to see if there was a cover charge to get in when they have the big exhibitions. But when it's out of season, it's mad peaceful here, and I've just enjoyed it, man. It's really chilled out, and you can't really hear anything from the main road either. There's no scooter noises or anything like that. There's no stands inside shouting at you to buy things. So in general, that all makes it for a really nice atmosphere, peaceful atmosphere inside. It's been a nice afternoon. I'm going to call this video here. I'm going to end it here. And I hope you like this little look around of this Shilin residence. Leave a comment. What do you think? Give us a thumbs up. Give us a like. Leave comments. I'll see you in the next one. See you later.